AI is pushing data centers to their thermal limits. Modern AI GPUs generate massive amounts of heat, and traditional air cooling is no longer enough for high density AI workloads. That's why liquid cooling in AI data centers is becoming the new standard. Why cooling matters. Every server generates heat, but AI infrastructure is different. A single NVIDIA AI GPU can consume hundreds or even thousands of watts of power. Now multiply that across entire GPU clusters running large AI models. Without efficient cooling, servers begin to throttle, performance drops, and power efficiency suffers. How liquid cooling works. In a liquid-cooled data center, heat is removed directly using liquid instead of relying only on airflow. The most common approach is called direct-to-chip liquid cooling. Cold plates are attached directly to CPUs and GPUs. Coolant flows through these plates and absorbs heat from the chips. The heated liquid then travels through a closed loop to a coolant distribution unit, or CDU. The CDU transfers the heat away from the servers and recirculates cooled liquid back into the system. Because liquid transfers heat far more efficiently than air, data centers can support much higher rack densities and more powerful AI workloads. Why AI infrastructure is moving toward liquid cooling. As AI models continue to grow, GPU power consumption is increasing rapidly. Traditional air cooling struggles to manage ultra-dense AI racks. Liquid cooling helps improve thermal efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and support next-generation GPU infrastructure. This is why hyperscale AI infrastructure providers across the world are rapidly investing in liquid-cooled AI data centers. The future of AI infrastructure will depend not only on compute power, but also on how efficiently that compute is cooled. That's why next-generation facilities, including SciFuture's upcoming 10 megawatt liquid-cooled AI data center, are being designed around advanced cooling architectures built for modern AI workloads.